Ever wondered how to naturally combat common health or skin issues? Consider the power of anise. This humble plant, often associated with festive treats and warm beverages, is a powerhouse of benefits, waiting to be unlocked. Anise, star-shaped and sweet-smelling, is so much more than a spice. It's a gift from nature, packed with nutrients that can transform your health and skin. It's time to dive into the world of anise and discover its numerous benefits. Firstly, anise is a champion for digestive health. It's been used for centuries to soothe upset stomachs, reduce bloating, and even combat irritable bowel syndrome. Its natural antispasmodic properties help to relax the digestive tract, making it a perfect after-dinner treat. Next, anise is also a friend to your respiratory system. It's been known to relieve coughs, runny noses, and other symptoms of the common cold. It's like a warm, comforting blanket for your lungs. But what about skin health? Anise doesn't disappoint. Its antifungal and antibacterial properties make it a natural remedy for acne and other skin conditions. Plus, it's loaded with antioxidants which are known to fight off free radicals, slowing down the aging process and keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. Anise is also a great source of vitamins and minerals. It's rich in iron, which boosts the production of healthy red blood cells, and calcium, which supports bone health. It's also packed with B-complex vitamins, which are essential for various physiological functions. And did you know that anise can help with weight management? Yes, it's true. Anise tea is often recommended as a natural weight loss aid. Its diuretic properties help to eliminate excess water and toxins from the body, aiding in weight loss. In summary, anise is an all-rounder. It supports your digestive and respiratory health, nurtures your skin, provides essential vitamins and minerals, and even assists in weight management. It's not just a spice, it's a super spice. So the next time you see this star-shaped wonder, remember, it's offering much more than a delightful aroma and a sweet taste. It's offering a treasure trove of health and skin benefits. Remember, good things often come in small packages.